Hey friends, and welcome back to my channel. This video is all of fixing the issue with Roblox. While playing the game or while launching the game, you got a Windows pop-up error, Roblox has timeout. So without wasting time, let's go ahead and directly proceed with the resolution. First of all, in the basic step, click on Start menu and type in Roblox. Once you find the Roblox, you need to launch the game only as an administrator and then try to play the game and check if you're still getting this particular pop-up. If this failed, right click on Start menu, choose option Run, type here percentage, local app data percentage, and then hit the enter key. Here press the R key to find a folder with the name Roblox. Open it and open versions folder. Here you need to find the latest version folder if you have more than one folder available with the name version. And you can find the latest version by checking the date modified below it. Then open the latest version folder and you will find Roblox Player Beta. Again, right click on it and choose the option Run as Administrator to play the beta game right into the administrator mode, and hopefully this will fix out the issue of Roblox pop-up. Roblox has timeout. Although, if this failed to work out, right click on Start menu, choose the option Run, type here ncpa.cpl and then hit the enter key. Now whichever your Wi-Fi is, right click and go to its properties. Now here you will find the option of TCP/IP v6. Uncheck this particular option. Then click on TCP/IP v4 and go to its properties. Choose the second option and type in 1.1.1.1 and in alternate DNS type in 1.0.0.1. Now hit the OK button and close it. Now click on Start menu, type CMD and choose the option Run as Administrator. Type here command IP config /flush DNS and then hit the enter key. After doing so, again find the Roblox right into your Start menu and choose the option Run as Administrator, and hopefully the issue of Roblox has timeout error with a Windows pop-up will completely fix out. So that's all about it friends. If this video works out for you, I request you to please click on subscribe button and turn on the bell notification icon to continue receiving updates from my channel. Thank you so much friends. Thank you for watching.